Hi and welcome to this tutorial about Simutrans. Today's topic is advanced passenger service. When it comes to mail go from the periphery station toward the center of the network. Passenger, however, go in both directions. There is no main direction for passenger. Maybe little bit more out from the center toward the outer station. But there is actually so little so I cannot say with 100% guarantee that passenger move in a certain direction. So what I have seen is that passenger move in both directions. They move out, stay for a while, and after that move back. So there is a short delay between arriving and when they start their return trip. This will have interesting effect when it comes to scheduling passenger service. When it comes to our theoretical part in advanced passenger service, they are exactly the same as advanced mail service. So this theory about star network, link network, bus network and so on are still valid. The only thing is that direction of traffic are slightly different. What we should do today is primarily to connect this part of the country. Here is the mail station. Here is the passenger station. The interesting is what happened underground, because this is an advanced station I have built. And you can see the mail station here and the passenger station. I use the same solution for handling of growing cities. Place sensitive part underground there the towns not can destroy the flow through the station. Less sensitive part are placed above ground, for example railroad part. The underground bus station are very big. That is because I operated very big buses now. So I need 2 grid platform to operate this bus. But let us start building the first part of this new line. And for that we need a new platform, because the bus which should serve out to the industry and tourist attraction should have its own platform and sit inside the station and wait for passenger. This type of station can be built underground. And now we let the time start, and there they have built the station. I need 2 grid here because of the choice sign, because the choice sign make it possible for all traffic to choose any platform in the station, even this platform. But most often they choose this 2. This solution is not 100% deadlock free. But deadlock occur so rarely in this station type, so I have stick with this type of station anyway because they work so well. But you handle deadlock simply by open up the schedule for the vehicle and send it to another station, and after that send it back again. That is how you handle the deadlock. So you need 2 grid here because of this size bus. If they choose this platform and it happen to be free, it should be able to offload and unload even from this platform, even if this platform normally are occupied by other traffic. And now let us continue out on the countryside. We build this station after the same principle, but above ground. So now buses from the town stop here, offload their cargo or passenger. Buses driving in that direction, loading up here. Buses in that direction, loading up here. And the mail service go from here. Now to the end station. This is how you build at the end station. You place the mail closest to the industry, so the mail truck come in, sit here and loading up, and the bus come in here. If you build it in this way, the mail truck will not be a big obstacle for the bus and block their route to the station. Another solution is to build the bus station beside the mail station. When it comes to the size or storage capacity of the station, aim for approximately twice the size of the bus you operate. If you have less than double the size, you can get a warning about crowded station because the bus simply don't have arrived in time. If you sit and wait outside on the countryside, the center station will be crowded. If you sit and wait in the center station, the station at the countryside will be crowded. So we need a more advanced scheduler here. And we need a couple of windows because we have 4 lines which should be occupied. 1 line here, 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 and here. So get this more efficient, I need access to a depot or garage and the station I want to deal with. That station and at the moment that station. Now can I move between the station simply by clicking on the picture? Alright, time to create this line. We should choose road vehicle, new line. The first thing the bus should do is to sit in the central station and wait. So I choose this platform, specially built for this line. And after that, the bus should drive out on the countryside, deliver its passenger to the platform designed for incoming cargo and passenger, for example, mail and passenger. There should the bus stop. But if we only do it this way, the station outside on the countryside will be crowded. It maybe takes some time before the station becomes crowded, but slowly, the station becomes more and more crowded. And now, back to the town. I will not let the bus drive in here, because if I operate more than one bus, there is a possibility that the bus will be stuck behind. So I let the bus drive in here. So now we have two entering in the central station. One here and one here, and one outside on the countryside. So now we have two entering in the central station, one here and one here, but to two different platforms. And now out to the countryside. And they should offload at this platform again. So outside on the countryside it's simple, two entering at the same platform for offloading. So this platform are for traffic which are entering the station, take whatever it can and move on, and don't sit and wait. Alright, now back to town. The halt sign here are that position. If I move, you can see the halt sign there, and if now there, and back again. Nothing special. Here, load 100%. Now the bus will drive in here, load up. When it's 100%, it's drive out to the countryside, offload its passenger, take whatever it can. However, there could be more passenger now on the country station. So many passenger that one bus is not enough. So the bus drive in to town again, to this station, which you have here, take whatever it can and offload and drive out to the countryside without waiting. That is the reason why I have entered the station twice. One time, this time, it's sit and wait. After that, drive to the country station, drive back to the town, take whatever it can, and drive out to the countryside again. And after that, it come up and stop there. Now the station will not be crowded if you have enough storage capacity. So for a short while, this bus will operate it like a line which don't have any demand of minimum load before they drive. But as fast they don't can fill up the bus any longer, the bus will stop driving and sit and wait for new passenger. This is the solution I have come up with at the moment, so I share it with you. Welcome back. We are now at this location on the map, and we should see how this system works in practice. So traffic coming from that direction down to this station, and traffic should go out from the station after that. and I have a couple of information windows. Here we have the pumping station. Here is the information about the pumping station. This is the bus in the town. This is the bus sitting there and should drive in that direction to the tourist attraction. That information windows is about that bus, which should drive in that direction to another pump. So now the bus in the town are close to be filled up. So I will wait for that bus to fill up and come back when it have nearly reached this station. Alright, the bus from the town, the information windows there, are filled up and should just enter the station here. So it's just outside. And if I are lucky now, I will be able to stop the bus just after offloading, and we can see the passenger move around inside the station. Alright, it became a little too quick. But the passenger in the station was moved to the bus, and the passenger from the bus was moved into the station and directly forwarding to the other buses here. But none of them are completely filled up yet. And now this bus will return to the town and pick up what they can in the town. Now the bus have reached the town and have gone in underground. That is the reason why you don't see it on the miniature picture here. And they will take the passenger they have in the station and of course offload. And that actually fill up the bus completely. And now we wait for the bus to come back. And here the bus coming down to the pumping station again. And they actually fill to 100% in the town. So maybe this line need one more bus, but that is another question. But they will take around 21, 22, 24 passenger. And now we see this bus was filled up with passenger, and that line have now start rolling. Let us now see what happened in town here. Will they stop and wait? They stop and wait. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. In the next episode we take a look on how it goes with the tourist attraction. We also take a look on train service, tram service, monorail, air and boat passenger service. Thank you for your time.